Hello, I'm John and welcome back to another Xero troubleshooting video. In this one we look at how to deal with the missing bank statement line. If you've connected a bank feed, your transactions automatically flow into Xero from your bank. But sometimes, and hopefully this is very rare, there may be a transaction missing from the feed. In this case, your statement balance in Xero won't match the actual statement from your bank. It's easy to fix, and that's what we're going to look at today. As part of your bank reconciliation process, you should check that your statement balance in Xero matches your actual statement from your bank. I've checked mine and I've noticed that there's a $55 difference. The statement balance in Xero is $8315.64, but the balance on my actual bank statement is $8260.64. To investigate this difference, go to the bank reconciliation report. By default, this pack contains 3 reports. Let's head to the bank statement so we can compare the bank statement in Xero with our actual bank statement. Select a date range, choose the bank account, and show all statement lines. Then click Update. This bank statement in Xero should match our actual bank statement balance, but we know there's a difference, so let's find it. I've spotted a payment of $55 to Brunswick Petals. It's on my actual bank statement, but it's not in my Xero bank statement. This means it hasn't been imported into Xero. There's no bank statement line, and there's no spend money account transaction in Xero either. To fix it, we'll create a Xero transaction and manually create a bank statement line to reconcile it. Up at the top, click the Create New button, and then select Spend Money. This is a transaction from our business bank account. Enter the details and save. There's now a spend money transaction in Xero. Notice the balance in Xero at the top now contains that $55. Let's manually create a bank statement line to adjust the statement balance figure. From the Account Transactions tab, sort by status. Here's that Brunswick Petals transaction. We can see it's unreconciled. There's no bank statement line to match it with, so let's create one. Go to the Help menu and click the Enable Mark as Reconciled toggle. Notice there's now a More button. So I'll select the Brunswick Petals transaction, click More, and Mark as Reconciled. Xero tells us we should only do this if we can import the bank transaction from the bank. Click Mark as Reconciled. And we can see that Brunswick Petals transaction is now reconciled. Notice the bank transaction source says User, so we know that the bank statement line was manually created. The statement balance in Xero now matches our actual bank statement. As you've seen, it's important to check your statement balance in Xero with your actual bank statement. If there's a difference and it's caused by a duplicate bank statement, watch this video to learn how to fix it.